Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Are you looking to change your Railwire Wi-Fi password? Here's a quick step-by-step guide. And make sure to follow all the steps I'm gonna show you here properly so that you don't make any mistakes to complete your mission. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open a web browser on your PC. Then type 192.168.1.1 and then tap enter. Log in using your router credential. By default, the username and password are admin. If that does not work, check your router level or contact your ISP. Go to the settings, wireless settings or Wi-Fi settings section. Find the option to change your Wi-Fi password and enter a new one. For better security, use a mix of letters, numbers and special characters. Click save and apply. Your router may need restart, so restart your router and you will need to reconnect your devices using the new password. Avoid using weak passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or common words. A strong password keeps your Wi-Fi safe from hackers. That's it, your Wi-Fi password is now updated. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.